Multiply 3600 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 2 times 6 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 7. The first partial product is 7,200. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 36,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the thousands column, 7 plus 6 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 43,200. So 3,600 times 12 is 43,200.